How to make a scratch video. Take 5. Okay, hi, my name is Klein, and I'm from Hermosa Elementary School. So, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some basics in a scratch game. So first, I'm going to start off by making movements. If the key right arrow is pressed, then it'll turn 5 degrees. So with left arrow, if the up arrow is pressed, then move 4 degrees. And so on with the down arrow with negative. And then you get 2 different types of guns and damage. And that is where you would use different variables. Now, the variables are right here, and that's where you can create them, name them, and set them for only that specific sprite, or for all of them. Then, you get into your bullet, which is named sprite 2, and it'll continually making clones whenever the space is pressed. And this is your firing rate. If the gun equals the revolver, then revolver speed, which is right there. And then your rifle speed, 0.3 seconds. Then your life variable, whenever you hit the zombie, then it'll take away 1 health from the zombie. Okay, now we're on to the bullet. When flag clicked, it'll hide, so it hides the original sprite. Then, it'll keep on creating clones, as seen right here, whenever you press the space. Then it'll go to sprite 1, the character, so it'll come out of the gun, move 40 steps, so it comes out of the gun, and it'll repeat until it's touching the edge, or touching sprite 3. And if the shop is open, then, or if the shop isn't open, everything will stop. If the gun equals the revolver, then it'll move 20 steps. That's the speed. If the gun equals the rifle, it'll move 12 steps. That's the speed. Then it'll delete the bullet whenever it touches the edge, or it's touching sprite 3. Now, on to the zombie. Now, there's a ratio, 1 to 4, zombie leaders to zombie normals. And then, if the zombie equals the normal, then it'll set zombie life, once again another variable, it's a 3. And if the zombie equals the leader one, then it'll set the life to 6. Then it'll show these zombie clones. Then I'll go to a random spot in between where I'm putting my cursor. There you go. And then the zombie equals normal, it'll move 1 step. That's the speed. If the zombie equals the leader, it'll move 3 steps. That's the speed. Then, if it's touching sprite 2, right here, it'll change the zombie life, damage of the gun, divided by -1. Then it'll set the brightness effect to 60, so it'll have a little flash. And then, cache. Your life, which is just switching through these different screens. Numbers for your cache, which is just switching through these screens. Your shop, which is basically, it'll broadcast whether it's open, and if it is, everything will stop besides all these shop variables. And also the positions. This sets everything besides the shop and everything in it just really bright. This is just a label for what gun the power-ups coordinate to. Power-ups. And this will change your cache, whenever you buy a power-up. Cash times -1. Then clone number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The different power-ups. And then, there you go. You have a basic Scratch game. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name is Klein. Bye-bye.